Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Spotify app for your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select where it says Play Store, and then select the search button at the bottom, and then where it says Search Apps and Games at the top, type in Spotify. And then you would select the install option for Spotify. There should be quite a number of downloads. I think there are over 100 million, I believe, at least in here. You can see there's 31 million reviews. So make sure you're getting it directly from Spotify. Should be the primary one in here. So like I said, pretty straightforward process on that. Let it download and install, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.